Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following is always taxable regardless of the underlying claim? Always taxable. Compensatory damages for physical injuries. This is not taxable at all because it's physical injuries. Emotional distress tied to physical injuries, out. Interest on court award. C, interest on court award. Interest is taxable, whether it's from the court, from the bank, or from some other party. Therefore, always taxable. Reimbursement for medical expenses, it could be or may not be. So, always is the safe answer is C. What should you do now? If you're using Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic a little bit better, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. If you're studying for your CPA exam, enrolled agent, just for your tax course, the best investment you could make is invest in yourself, invest in your education, pass those professional certification, pass those classes. No one can take that away from you, and don't shortchange yourself. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.